Today we're going to talk about one of the best medicine for urogenital disorders, the urinary disorders, the recurring kidney stones, excessive urination, diabetes, weight loss, PCOS. For those pregnant women, we see the need of Gokshur is what the world requires, to have the knowledge about Gokshur, so they utilize this in their day-to-day life to get the best result. This Gokshur is acting as equal to antibiotics in few disorders which is in need of today's time without causing any harm. It is solving the root cause, at the same time giving the equal amount of result to the patient on an immediate basis. So the world needs it. It is important to have the knowledge about this herb and to use it in a day-to-day life to get the best results. Let's understand about the herb, the benefits and the best possible way to consume it. Let's understand in this video. Namaste everyone, welcome to Jyovis Hospital of Ayurveda and Aesthetic Center, Mumbai. We're talking about Gokshur Tribulus terrestris. There are a lot of different information on the internet. Let's dive deep into the classical text of Ayurveda and see what Bhav Prakash Nigantu explains about Gokshur. It is beautifully said as Gokshuram Shetalam Swadu Balakrut Basti Shodhanam. It is said as Deepanam Madhuro Vrusho Drishti the Ashmariharam. It is said as the third sentence which highlights Prameha Swasakasarsha Krucha Rudroga Vatanatam. So we're going to understand about this phase where in one shloka the beautiful benefits and the glories of this herb is explained. Before that, let's understand the meaning of Gokshur. It is said as Gokshur, Go which means cow. And if you see the fruit, it has spines all over it. It is all over the ground. So cow was walking and the leg of the cow, it hits or it pierces the spine of this fruit, and it is said that the cow does the shur, it destroys the fruit. So it is said as Gokshur. That's the meaning of this dravya. It is said as small caltrops in English. Gokru, Gokshur are some of the different terms. It is also said as Ikshu Gandhika, Ikshu which means sugarcane. The fruit smells like that of the sugarcane. It is important to know that for the medicinal use, its fruit and its root is used. The root where kada is made, and from the fruit the powder is prepared. So the churna and the kada, these are the derivations. We see outstanding benefits of Gokshur for urinary disorders. Let's come to the shloka. It is said as madhur in its taste, it is sweet. It is sheath, it is cool in potency. It is guru, heavy to digest. We see its action on all the three doshas, the Vat, Pitta and Kapha. Depends on how an Ayurveda physician uses it. The way you use it, it acts in that particular way. So it is important to know that Gokshuram Madhuram Shitalam Swadu Balakrut. It is Bala Pushtikar. It is increasing the strength and stamina of the person. It is said that it is one of the best mutral dravya. It is having a diuretic action. And whilst you all know that Lasix is a medicine which is having diuretic action, after some time we see its effects on the heart and the bladder. We see it, its effects, and the diabetic patients and the hypertension patient, we see that after some time they complain that they have excessive urination, frequent urination. The same action is done with Gokshur with no side effects, no ill effects. In fact, the root cause is cured. How? Let me explain you. The main use of Gokshur is Mutra Utpatti. It's Mutra Utpatti. Second, it is Mutra Virechan, to remove the toxins out of the body through the urinary route. And third, it is a medicine that collects all the urine, and at one time itself it will flush out all of the system. And the fourth, very important, it is said as Shotar. It is known for reducing the swelling in the body. So we see Gokshur as one of the great medicine for its four mukhya karyas. Swelling, it is having amazing outstanding results for swelling. Instantly patient says that once you start using it twice or thrice a day, the swelling is reduced. It is said as Prameha, for diabetes it is having good results. Any dravya that goes towards diabetes is also going towards the PCOS, the PCOD. It corrects the hormonal imbalance, and any herb which is having kind of anti-diabetic action, it is also well known to have a weight loss effect. So we see patients losing in centimeters, inches, twice a day, thrice a day. This dravya is used along with a proper authentic Ayurvedic treatment. We see good results of Gokshur for weight loss. We do see it is said as Swas Kasarsha, Shwas, asthma, Kas, Cough, Arsha, piles, fissure, fistula. This dravya has good results. It is said as Rudroga Vatanut, for heart disorders. Beautiful medicine. It's a beautiful concept in Ayurveda that any dravya that goes towards the heart also reduces the swelling. So right from the Arjun to the Gokshur, any Rudya dravya is also Mutral. Any Rudya dravya is also Shothar. It reduces the swelling as well. So beautiful results right from diabetes to weight loss to swelling. Any patients who is having Ashmari, it is the main benefit of Gokshur, Ashmari, which means urinary calculi. For kidney stones, for gallbladder stone, we see once the stone is gone, it doesn't come back. With Gokshur, with an authentic Ayurveda treatment, we've seen 3 times, 4 times, 5 times in a year where patients had kidney stone. Once flushed out, it will not come back again. In a very less period of time, we see the beautiful benefits of Gokshur when it is used in the right amount, in the right way to the right patient. We see Gokshur, a beautiful medicine. Coming to the next, Gokshur is like the need of a pregnant lady. In the 3rd trimester, we see in the preeclampsia, post-eclampsia, to reduce the pedal enema, Tribulus, which is Gokshur, mixed with 8 parts milk, 32 parts water, boil until the water is evaporated, milk is left and to be consumed throughout the day or once a day. We see it is a need of the pregnant female. We see so many benefits. There are endless benefits, endless principles in different ways how Gokshur can be used. This is all for now. I'd like to hear out from you what doubts you have, what questions you have. Write them down in the comment section below. Follow us on Instagram to have the daily updates and let us know if you have any questions once again. So this is all for now. Until next time, from Jyovis and the team, look impressive, be progressive.